Hi, my name is Mike. I've worked for Team JAPA now for a little while. It's a wonderful company to be with. One thing we deal with our equipment, with Alberta's terrible climate change differences in plus 40 to minus 40 weather, is we make sure all of our equipment's well equipped with a 540 oil that can deal great in cold starts and in hot starts. Always is reliable, as well as for our machines during the time of cold frigid weather. What we do is we make sure that the operations of the machine goes smoothly by warming up all the hydraulics, by making sure all the implements work correctly, as well as everything moves smoothly prior to full launch and full running and letting the machine work hard. Our equipment here runs with wonderful Tier 3 Cummins engines. They're quite advanced. The newer models that are coming out will have a Tier 4 engine with even more advancements and better technology in it for more efficiency and better power running in the equipment. So here at JAPA, one thing we do is we're very robust across the market, from everything from our xcmg proud lineup to John Deere's, Komatsu, Hitachi, Caterpillar. Anything that has an engine and hydraulic system, we're always willing to bring on. We do amazing calls, priority one when they do come through, and we're always happy to make sure our customers are guaranteed with a smile.